how Earth was born. Ever wonder how our amazing planet came to be? Today, we're diving into a fascinating journey that started around 4.5 billion years ago. Imagine a time when Earth was just a collection of dust and gas floating in space. How did we transform from that cosmic chaos to the beautiful blue planet we call home? Join me as we explore the incredible story of Earth's birth and uncover the secrets of our origins. The birth of our solar system. It all began with a spectacular event. A massive star exploded in a fiery blast known as a supernova. This explosion sent out a cloud of gas and dust, which would play a crucial role in the creation of our solar system. Here's where things get exciting. Scientists believe that this cloud of material was the seed for everything we know today. This idea is referred to as the nebular hypothesis. As gravity started pulling this cloud together, it formed a spinning disk, with the center condensing to create our sun. Can you imagine witnessing a brilliant ball of light emerging from the chaos? This was the start of our solar system, setting the stage for planets, moons, and eventually, life. Formation of planetary bodies. As the dust continued to spin and condense, something remarkable happened. Smaller bits and pieces began to collide and stick together, a process known as accretion. Over time, these clumps of material grew larger, eventually forming protoplanets. Earth was one of these early protoplanets, constantly bombarded by rocky debris and smaller space rocks. This was a wild time, full of chaos as everything crashed and merged into what we now recognize as our planet. But Earth wasn't ready for humans yet. It was a hot and fiery place, covered in volcanic activity with no oceans to speak of. Imagine a planet where everything was molten and constantly erupting. These collisions and processes were not just random, but perfectly orchestrated by gravity itself. The same methods that helped form Earth also shaped the other planets in our solar system. Isn't it fascinating how we all share this cosmic family tree? The cooling process. After millions of years, the fiery surface of Earth began to cool down. This cooling allowed a solid crust to form, gradually giving structure to our planet. Can you picture a giant pizza fresh out of the oven, slowly cooling until it was ready to be served? That's kind of like what was happening to Earth. During this time, volcanic eruptions were still common, but their impacts started to shape a more stable atmosphere. The gases produced during these eruptions created a primitive atmosphere, albeit a bit different from what we breathe today. This environment was hostile, but it laid the foundation for Earth to become more habitable over time. The transition from a molten rock to a solid surface was a crucial step in our planet's journey, making way for something even more important: